Okay, hello. Welcome again. We are ready for 2.1. Make sure you're on the right worksheet. Our first problem here, 7x plus 3 equals 4 times the quantity x minus 2. The equal sign means it's an equation. We have to solve the equation. So we need to decide what to do first. And that to do first is the parentheses. I need to do distributive property. So I'm going to write 7x plus 3 equals and distribute 4x and then minus 8. That gets rid of the parentheses. Now I see variables on both sides. I see a 7x on the left and a 4x on the right. So let's simplify. Let's subtract 4x from both sides. That'll clean things up quite a bit. Here's my opposites, so I can mark those out. 7x minus 4x is 3x. Bring down my plus 3 equals, bring down my minus 8. The next thing I would do is I would subtract this 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. Mark out my opposites, that's my 0. Bring down my 3x equals negative 8 minus 3, that's negative 11. And then finally, I would divide both sides by 3. And I can mark out those 3's. And my answer is negative 11/3. I would leave that as an improper fraction. Because when you take this ECA test, mixed numbers are not allowed on the gridded response. So just get in the habit of leaving everything improper. Negative 11/3 is a perfectly fine answer. I would encourage you to hit the pause button now and go on to number 2 and work that out on your own. Distributive property. 3x minus 5 equals 5x plus 25. And then just to keep things positive, I would subtract 3x from each side. So right here are my opposites. Minus 5 equals, that'd be what, 2x plus 25. Then I got to move the 25, so I got to subtract the 25 from each side. So right here's my opposites, mark those out. That would give me, what, negative 30 equals 2x. Then I would divide by 2, which gives me an answer of negative 15 equals x. Now, if you wrote that x equals negative 15, that would be sufficient. That'd be fine. Again, hit the pause button and try the third one on your own. Try it on your own first. With this one, negative 4x plus 6 would equal distributive property, negative 3x, be careful with your sign here, plus 27. 2 negatives make a positive. Then, I don't know, what we're going to do? Add 3x to both sides. That would make the most sense. That's right, here's my opposites. Negative 4x plus 3x would be a negative 1x. Plus 6 equals the 27. Then you would want to subtract 6 from both sides. Here's your opposites. You would have negative 1x equals 27 minus 6 is 21. But be careful, don't stop right there. Your answer is not 21. You must then divide by negative 1. So your answer is negative 21. Again, if I'm going too fast, make sure you hit the pause button, rewind button, and listen to these again. We have one more. Again, try to work this out on your own first. This one's going to be 4x minus 5 equals negative 6x, watch your sign, plus 24. Then I'm going to add 6x to both sides. Kind of keeps it positive. So here's your opposites. Mark those out. 4x plus 10x over here to the left. I'm sorry, 4x plus 6x is 10x. Minus the 5 comes down, equals 24. Then what? Add 5. Add 5 to both sides. Mark out your opposites. So I'd have 10x equals 29. Divide by 10. Excuse me. Divide by 10. That's nice. Got a nice sneeze of mine on recorded here. Sorry. Let's keep going. Mark out the 10s. And x is 29 over 10. That's improper. It can't be reduced. Leave it alone. Don't make it a mixed number, because mixed numbers are not allowed on gridded response questions. If by chance this were a gridded response, you would not want to make it mixed number. A decimal, that would be okay, but again, let's just leave it improper. I think that's the easiest thing to do. Hey, that's all I have for this one. Thanks for watching.